Welcome to the installation guide for Advanced Module Level Rapid Shutdown (MR) solution. This video is for the installation of the version 2.5 data controller box DCON Wi-Fi. Model, APTCBD Wi-Fi S/M/L. This video uses the APTCB Wi-Fi S control box as an example for the installation instructions. Product introduction and unboxing. Before installation, please open the package. Ensure all accessories are present and the exterior is undamaged. Internal structure of the box is shown. Before installation, ensure the DC side of the inverter is turned off. Turn off the power to the data controller box. Only proceed with installation after taking proper safety measures. The version 2.5 data controller box should be installed on the DC cable between the PV inverter and PV array, typically installed near the inverter side. DCON Wi-Fi mounting method. Fix the mounting ears to the back of the version 2.5 data controller box. Then place the box in an appropriate location. Use appropriate screws according to actual conditions. Secure the box onto the wall or mounting bracket. Peel off the double-sided tape at the bottom of the antenna. Stick the antenna directly onto the top of the box. Press to ensure it is firmly attached. Check the bottom of the box. The S/M/L size models support different numbers of PV strings. Open the version 2.5 data controller box. After confirming the circuit breaker is off, pass the 100/240V AC power cable through the waterproof gland on the left. Connect it to the upper terminal of the circuit breaker. Connect the positive pole of the DC bus directly to the inverter. Connect the negative pole of the DC bus to the corresponding MC4 terminal at the bottom of the version 2.5 data controller box. Then on the other corresponding MC4 terminal, connect the DC bus negative pole to the inverter. Finally, peel off the label on the side of the data controller box. With the APTCON Wi-Fi QR code, stick it to the upper left corner of the microcontroller physical layout diagram. After installation, ensure the version 2.5 data controller box and all internal components are securely fastened. DCON Wi-Fi installation check. Turn on the circuit breaker. Confirm the APTCON Wi-Fi PWR indicator is steadily red. Turn off the circuit breaker. Confirm the APTCON Wi-Fi PWR indicator is off. This completes the installation of the version 2.5 data controller box.